talaga yung introduction.
Para habang kumakain sila ay may magpatutugtog, may magpapatugtog ng violins na napakagaling naman talaga. Violin, di ba tawag dyan?
Okay.
Violinista, yan.
Ayan. So, ito na ba talaga? Mag-introduce na ba tayo?
Oo, ito na.
Ito na talaga yun.
Sige na, dalihan mo na.
Prepare to be dazzled and entertained as we get serenaded by our next performer. Sandali lang naman.
Tayo yan.
Actress, model, singer, and a multimedia arts student at Dinasal College of St. Benil. Former Viva recording artist,
Wow.
Micaela Torres!
Ayan, please welcome Micaela Torres. Doon tayo para sumayaw tayo.
To pound the sun, there's been so many nights thinking out of the world. Every struggle, and now my heart is in the air, inside our past. All the space, I just get to my ear, and I'm so look upon your face. It's not sorry for the sadness to wrong. And now I hold a hand and you see me, somebody new.
Sayo na lang, basta makamarang kumanta.
Pwede ka nang sumayaw na lang. Ito na pala yung parang vocal solo. Parang tayo pwedeng kumanta.
Oo nga.
Nakaka-istorbo.
Kahit saan na lang tayo. Kumain ka na, pakain ka muna. Sige ka doon. Ganyan to lang kayo mga puncher. Yan ang alam kong step.